Hey guys, I'm James, and in less than 2 weeks, we are going to be in Orlando, Florida. We are going to be at the largest paintless dent repair and detail expo that there is to date. Okay, it's called the Mobile Tech Expo. If you guys haven't made plans to be there, I recommend that you make plans getting there. Okay, we're going to be there. We're going to be sitting at booth 408. We've got some something really cool to tell you guys about, and you guys will be seeing much more of that here soon. But on top of that, though, we've got the Dent Olympics going down. There's a tag team event, I think, and there's the Dent trials. There's tons of different companies. You're gonna be able to get out there and get your hands on some brand new tools and accessories. If you've never been before, I recommend doing it, coming, checking it out. It is a great show. It's a way to get in contact with different dent technicians in your area, just touch base and just meet some new faces, get your hands on some new tools and accessories. And again, guys, if you've never been, I recommend going, making your travel arrangements now. We're gonna be at booth 408. And it's January 27th through the 29th. We look forward to seeing you guys there. Stop by and say hi. We'll be seeing you guys soon.